In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to permanently close both your Zoho organization and your personal account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. If you have data you might need later, like emails, CRM records, files, or invoices, export or back them up first. If you own any paid subscriptions, make sure you understand how cancellations and final charges work, because closing an account can immediately impact access to those services. With that in mind, start by signing in to Zoho in your browser. Look to the top right corner for your profile icon, sometimes shown as your avatar or initials. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose My Account. This will take you to the Zoho Accounts dashboard, where your profile, security, and preferences live. Inside your account dashboard, find and click Settings. This is where Zoho groups important preferences, including the option to close your account. On the Settings page, locate the section for closing your account and click Close Account. Zoho will now guide you through the closure flow and explain what will be deleted. If your Zoho usage is tied to an organization, you'll see the option to close organization. Click that to remove the organization and its data across Zoho apps. This step is crucial if you're the org owner and want all associated services, like mail, CRM, projects, or desk, fully deactivated. Make sure you're closing the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one. Next, proceed by selecting Close Organization and Account. This confirms that you want to delete both the organization and your personal Zoho account. Zoho may prompt you to confirm your decision, select a reason, agree to impact notices, or re-enter your password for security. Review these carefully so you know exactly what will be lost and can't be recovered. When you're ready, click Proceed. This action submits the closure request. In many cases, you'll receive an email confirming the process, and access to services will be revoked shortly after. Some background tasks and data removal may take time to finalize, but you should consider your account closed once you complete this step. That's it. You clicked your profile icon, went to My Account, opened Settings, chose Close Account, closed the organization, confirmed Closes organization and account, and finally hit Proceed. If you aren't fully ready, simply stop before the final confirmation. Otherwise, you now know the exact path to permanently delete your Zoho account with confidence.